Hey y'all, I just wanted to come back on here and talk to y'all about this blow dryer that I had bought like over a year ago. It's by Ion and I got it from Sally's, and I thought it would be cool to like do another video about it because the video that I did, like, it was like a voiceover and then I had did the video, but I don't think I really like did it justice to show you guys about the blow dryer and how it works and how cool it is to use it. Like right now I had put some, you know, some little micro braids in my hair, and the hair is human, and I just wanted to add like a little bit more of the curl to it or whatever, because when I first put it in, like, it was popping, but I had went to the beach, you know, that salt water, you know, I got home, washed it or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying, I just did a video on that hair, so now you guys are seeing, like, you know what I mean, when you go out and start lifing with that brand of hair, you know what I mean, it's gonna get a little, you know, just limp, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to add a little bit of life to it, but I didn't feel like putting like a roller set in it, even though I will eventually do that or whatever, just to give me more of a curl. But I was like thinking, what if I just use this blow dryer that I got, you know what I'm saying, to just give me a quick little curl, you know what I'm saying, zhuzh my hair back up or whatever. So I just wanted to come over here and talk to you guys about it. So here is the paper that came out the box, because I unboxed it already, so I don't have the box. But here it is, the Ion Luxe, and it comes with the blow dryer itself, and then you have two little curling wands, and then you have a diffuser, the diffuser, and the, you know, the I forgot what it's called, but it's another piece that helps when you go to straighten your hair and blow drying it or whatever. I forgot what it's called, but I know, I remember, like, I forgot the term, but y'all see it. Okay, so the two little curling iron pieces, one that goes to the right and one goes to the left, and there you have it. So it's the Ion Luxe 4-in-1 hair dryer styler. So just wanted to show y'all that. So I'm just gonna go right quick, y'all, because I forgot. Oh yeah, and this is what the pieces look like up close, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. It was in my drawer. Like, I got a drawer full of blow dryers. It's a shame, y'all. Here go that other piece. Look at me dropping the curling iron pieces. Where y'all wanna go? Okay. And so, like I was saying, here go the pieces up close, what they look like. Like I was saying, one goes to the right and one goes to the left. And then the blow dryer itself. So the Ion, and it's really sleek, y'all. It's not that heavy. It's a little weighty, but you know, not too much weight or whatever. But so, and then this is how you operate it. So, you know, you have the cool, your cool shot. You have the heat settings, so you know the type of curl you want, if it's loose, you know, medium, or a tight curl. And then you have, you know, the off and the setting for high and low. And then the cool air, like when you want to cool your curl down. You know how sometimes when we curl our hair, we'll pin it so it can cool down before we loosen it out. This does that for you before it starts to loosen your hair from around the wrap. But I'll be right back, y'all. I'm finna just go put a little bit of water to this, because your hair needs to be a little bit damp, but not wet. It needs to be like 90% dry before you go to use this blow dryer when you want to add a curl to it or whatever, when you want to use the curling part. So I'm going to go do that real quick, just put a little bit of water on here, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. So as you can see, I went and I applied a little bit of water to my hair, you know what I mean, and got it ready so I can add some curl to it. So I'm going, it's already plugged up, you guys, but if y'all want to know what the plug look like, it's just standard, you know what I'm saying, where you got the reset and the what is that, yeah, the test and the reset button. It's just a standard plug, and it's a nice length too, so you know you can walk a little if you need to, like, you know, move around a little bit with it. So I'm going to, for this side, I'm going to use this direction to go that way. And for this side, I'm going to use the other one. And this is how you put it on. This is how you attach it, because it has the lock symbol on there. I don't know if y'all can see it. The lock symbol, and then the arrow where you need to put it. And then right here, it has where they need to meet up. So you see that? Okay, so I'm going to put it on. And I don't know if y'all heard that, but it locks in place. And then it shows you the direction that the air is going to be flowing once you turn it on. Okay, so y'all ready? We finna turn it on and we finna curl it up, y'all. I'm gonna do these two together. No, matter of fact, I think I'll do one at a time. So let's see. So let's turn this on. So I'm gonna go the top speed, right? This starts blinking to let you know, okay, we're ready. We're ready to start flowing so that you can go ahead and curl your hair, okay? So dry it and curl it at the same time. So 2 in 1, y'all. And I meant to tell y'all, this is a dupe. This is a dupe for the Dyson Air Styler. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all know Dyson is the bomb, but them prices, baby. You know what I mean? So y'all can find this at Sally's, but I'll get into that like once I'm done curling or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that this is the dupe for the Dyson AirStyler. Okay, all right, so here we go. Finna press it, and now we finna go. We're gonna do one at a time. So y'all see that? Y'all see that? And you just go and you just dry it or whatever. See that? And when you're done, you know what I'm saying, when you feel like it's dry or whatever, you just press that button. And I'm gonna press it because I feel like I'll have enough curl. So I guess you can do like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, just depending on the dampness of your hair. So I'm gonna press it. You see how it gives it a little cool shot, and then let it go. Oh y'all, oh y'all, oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Ah. Okay, so let's do it again. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay, so here we go. And we know the direction is going to the right, okay? So here we go. Let's get it started. You see it? It's wrapping. You see that? It wrapped around. And we blow drying. We blow drying. Cause we gon' get us a girl, yeah, yeah. Look at me being silly. How many of y'all sing when y'all be doing y'all hair? I do it all the time sometimes. So, I'm just going like that or whatever. You guys can do what y'all want. You gotta just sit it still, or you can move it around, or whatever. I know some of y'all be probably watching TV while y'all do y'all hair and stuff. I do that sometimes. And then, like I said, when you're done, it's going to give it a little cool shot for you. So, all right. And we're going to drop the curl. Ooh! Look at I'm so silly. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Ow. Look at that. So, you know, add some zhuzh, you know what I'm saying? Especially, and I think this is good for, you know, when you on the go. Like, you know, in the morning when I'm getting dressed or whatever. Or if I gotta go somewhere, and like I said, I wanted to zhuzh up my curls a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So, I just get in with this blow dryer, boom, boom, boom. And, you know what I'm saying, I'm out the door. Like, oh my gosh. Or even that night before we go to sleep. Y'all know how you can go ahead and get your hair curled up and then put the roller in it, or curl it and then pin it, you know, put your scarf on or your bonnet and go to sleep, girl, and you up with these bouncy curls. Like, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's what my son be saying. Look at that, 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 look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the other side, and I said like I was gonna use the right for the right and the left for the left, so we're gonna switch it out. And y'all be careful too, because this be hot. And this is the release button. This releases your curling iron or whatever piece that you want to put on the blow dryer, okay? It releases it. So let me see, hitting the release button, and I'm taking it off. So you could take it off by the top is not hot, but this part right here is, okay? So when you take it off, you can just use it by the top. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going in the opposite direction for this side, okay? So I'm finna put it on here, and I'm going, and you're gonna hear it lock. So let me do it up close so y'all can hear it lock. Did y'all hear that? It ain't going nowhere. All right, so let me get my curl piece, because now we going, it's gonna go in this direction. It's gonna take it around. It's gonna grab it, okay? All right, so here we go. Y'all see that? Can y'all see that? So for about, 20-30 seconds, you know what I mean, put it on there. And like I said, this don't take no time, because girl, and then like if you really was on the go, you could have did both of these sprays at the same time, but for the sake of this video, I'm just doing one at a time for y'all. But okay, I'm finna hit the release button, or the cool shot button, that's what I call it. And we out the door, boo. And we out the door. Let me, you say what? We out the door. We out the door. Cute, cute. Ow! Okay, come on, let's do another one. Y'all ready to do another one? All right, we finna do another one. Okay. So, get my hair ready. And like I said, hold on, what's the direction? Okay, yeah, it's going this way. The camera be having me looking. You know what I mean? But here we go. Oh. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. All right, there it is. Y'all see that? So like I said, about 20 to 30 seconds. You know what I mean? That's all you need. Okay, I'm gonna hit the cool shot. And we out the door, baby. Yes. Look at that. Ah. So, like I was saying, this is the dupe for the Dyson, y'all. The dupe for the Dyson. And like I showed y'all, you have a curling iron to curl to the, what is that? Left. And you have a curling iron to curl to the right. And so you have your diffuser, and you have your concentrator. There we go. I couldn't think of the word. Concentrator. So this concentrates heat in a certain section of your hair as you blow dry. So it concentrates heat on your hair as you blow dry. You guys can find this at ion.com, or you guys can find it on Amazon. as well as Sally's. I love to go to Sally's personally, so I got this from Sally's because Sally's sells ion products, ion hair products, ion tools, and stuff like that. So you can find all things ion at your local Sally's. You can go sallys.com or you can go inside the store. But yeah, girl, it's so cute. You know what I'm saying? So you want to zhuzh up your curl and you ain't got time, or like before you go to bed, you know what I'm saying, curl your hair up. You know what I mean? Tie it down, get up in the morning, girl. You got some bounce, girl. Bounce for the ounce. But I'm going to let y'all go. Just want to come on here and talk to y'all a little bit more about the Ion Luxe 4-in-1 AirStyler. So y'all be blessed and y'all get out here and y'all continue to be beautiful and